Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. Today is Sunday, and you guys know what it is, right? It is crypto weekend. I know we haven't talked about crypto in a while, but I figure it is finally time for an update. Before we get into it, though, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. So happy Sunday, everybody. Happy Sunday. I know you guys, I have been getting a lot of questions about crypto. Kelvin, are you still invested in crypto? Kelvin, how do you like Ethereum at these prices? Kelvin, what do you think about Bitcoin? And I mean, it's a lot, right? I'm finally here to let you guys know how I feel. So I think crypto is just like the stock market right now. I think we are following a trend. You guys may have noticed that crypto hit what seems like a low, just like the stock market hit what seems like a low, and we are now bouncing back. We are bouncing back. I want to say that we're about the same percentage up in crypto, which crypto numbers is about double the stock market. So for the past week, you guys know we hit a new low in the stock market last week, right? So last week we hit a new low in crypto. We saw Ethereum come down to about $900. We saw Bitcoin come down to, I want to say 18K. So we saw new lows and we bounced right back up. So Bitcoin currently sitting at 20K and 21,300, and Ethereum currently sitting at $1,200. So if you bought one Bitcoin, $18,000, you making $3,000 right now. Ethereum, you bought one Ethereum at $900, you made $300 right now. So of course it's looking good. But I'm going to tell you guys, take those profits. I mean, just be sure to be watching it, because if it comes back down, you don't want to be caught holding the bag. Now, I do believe that the big dogs are going to stay strong. I believe that they are due for a strong return, because crypto always moves, right? I mean, it comes down fast, but it also goes up just as fast. So for me, I know many of you heard Elon bought Doge. I'm buying more Doge. Elon bought Doge. I'm buying more Doge. Doge hit a new low, right? It hit that low. Of course, Elon bought some. I mean, he's already invested in it for his kids, and he's not someone like us who has little money and we're trying to see immediate returns. Elon is someone who has millions of dollars to invest, and he won't even bat an eye at it over 5 years. So yes, Elon can do that. Elon can invest in Doge, and he okay if he see it go down $1 million. He's probably already watched his son's investment go down who knows how much, because Doge is down what 50, 60, 70%, like the rest of the crypto market. But for those of us like me and you, we cannot afford to see our investment go down another 50, 60, 70%. So don't get in Doge. At least I'm not getting in Doge. So not financial advice, not telling you guys what to do, but I'm telling you what I'm doing. I am not buying more Dogecoin. Now, if I am going to buy anything, I told you guys, Ethereum at $900, I'm in there. Bitcoin, I believe it's coming down to about 15 if it continues to come down. If not, hey, it was good to see the 18, 19. I bought about $500 at that time. Ethereum, I bought about $500 at that time as well, just in case it kept coming lower. Y'all know I always put $1,000 in at the lows, and I expect to ride it back up to see how high I can go. And I take profit as it comes back down. So that's what I do. I only put $500 in each right now. And I saw Bitcoin hit that low, and I saw Ethereum hit that low. Altcoins, I am not buying any Doge. I'm not buying any Shiba Inu. None of that, right? Only the big dogs. The top 10, I'm in there. So let's take a look at them, right? Let's take a look at them and their prices and how they moved over the past week. So we see Bitcoin currently up $21,302, up 1% in the past 24 hours, but up 8% over the past 7 days. Again, that's okay, but look at where it was, right? We know it came all the way down. Really the low is here at the beginning of the week. So of course, we look at the month. So we're gonna look at the month. It had a low of 18.5, really a little lower than that, and now it's bounced back to about 21. But look at where it came from over a month: 27, 30, 31,000. So it's still down heavily. Still down heavily. Do not be fooled by a couple grand there. I told you guys this last week. We were recharging, right? We were looking at things, kind of looking back and recharging, allowing things to move how they gonna move. Ethereum, again, the big dogs. I'm only looking at the big dogs because those are the ones I like. We're gonna see that it is up 2.90% for the day and 15% for the past week. But let's look at it again. How low did it go, and where are we coming from in the past month? It came down as low as $944. I want actually $897 Hopefully you guys got in there. I think I bought mine at about $9.50. I caught it coming back up $9.50. But it came down from $1,900, $2,000, $1,995, and it's currently sitting at $1,220. So can you afford to lose again that bigger percent? Can you afford to see this thing come down to $800? If you can, invest in it long term. Again, we long term holding. We're not in here for the short term. We in here for the long term. If I see Ethereum hit that $800 mark, I am going my other half of the 500. Right? Small investments make big gains, especially if Ethereum goes back up to its highs of $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, numbers like those. You 100%, 200%, 300% your money. The rest of these things in here, Dogecoin. Looking at Dogecoin, I mean, you guys see it's up 27.59%. But of course, if a big dog like Elon gets in here and this thing's only 7 cents, he's gonna push it up way high. Push it up way high. But again, look at where it's coming from. It's coming from being beat way down. And we don't want to be bag holders because you watch millionaires do things, but we don't have that millionaire money or that millionaire mindset as of yet. So we have to just be more cautious with our funds. Shiba Inu down up 3% for the day, up 42% for the week. Look at it, back to those 4 zeros and 11. It got beat way down before that as well. Like I said, you guys got to be careful because hey, what kind of money can you afford to lose? Actually, it looks like Shiba Inu's come back to its month ago prices pretty much. So look, hey, Shiba Inu seems to be holding some strength. Now it did come down here low. If you got in down here, if you saw it at those 5 zeros and you were able to get in here and get those 40% gains, then man, more power to you. 42% gains for you. Hey, I'm proud of you. Congratulations. I'm glad you did it. If you invested $1,000, you probably made $400 in Shiba Inu. Would I invest $1,000 in Shiba Inu? No, I would not. And let me show you guys why. Google crypto news. Every piece of news you see in here is FUD, right? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Did I make it harder to sell your crappy used crypto mining graphics card article? Minor capitulation means Bitcoin bottom is near. Hardware worth $1.9 million stolen in Russia's crypto mining capital. Crypto miners are dumping tons of GPUs, so maybe you can finally get one. Morgan Creek is trying to counter FTX's BlockFi bailout. Leaked call shows nothing but bad news. Nothing but bad news. I had an article here we talked about. $100 million worth of crypto has been stolen in major hack. What in the world? Crypto has so much going on. Do not be fooled. Now, if you invest in it, again, I want you to have that long-term mindset, just like me, because Bitcoin and Ethereum, those are two I'm hanging in. I'm not going to miss these small caps, not as of yet. Not until I get some comfort, until I feel some relief in them. Shiba Inu, showing some strength like that, hey, it may be worth it. At 4 zeros and 11 cents, put $100 in there, $200 in there if you want. As long as you don't mind it going zero. I mean, we just watched Terra Luna. Went all the way up to $100, $120. I told you guys to take profits. It literally came down to zero within a week or two. So do not be caught up holding Terra Luna bag. I took profits in Terra Luna. I saw it come back down. I saw it hit 88 and I thought it was gonna go back up. I put another $100 in there and I saw that $100 go to zero. So I'm just telling y'all my story, right? I'm telling you my story. For me, that's fine because I had already made more than $100 by playing with Terra Luna, trading it. But as a long-term investment, it going to zero. And right now at this point, I'm just holding it. It's just $100. It doesn't hurt me that bad. But just know that these things can happen. $100 million worth of crypto has been stolen. Morgan Creek is trying to counter FTX's BlockFi bailout. Leaked call shows. And this means that those people who are investing in BlockFi, if BlockFi can't get bailed out, if they can't get the money they need that they're trying to raise, the small investors like us, we're going to be the ones that take the L's. So I just want you guys to be aware of all this stuff that's going on with crypto and everything else around the world. Right now, we know we got a lot of them that we like. We see crypto making moves. I still believe that we're in that crypto winter, and I want to watch it just like the stock market. This past week we watched it. This next week we're gonna watch it, and I want to see some confidence. I want to see the strength before I get back in here and I'm like, boom, I'm going hard and heavy. Of course, the goal is always to buy low, and always when others are fearful, we're greedy. But we do not want to be caught holding the bag while things go down another 20, 50, 60, 70%. So that's what I got for you guys, right? Crypto is actually making some moves, but we want to be smart while we're investing in it or trading it or whatever you want to do. And I thank you for joining the Journey to Become Wealthy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later.